Oh my. Anyway, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna be working on my car, 04 Volvo S60R, 6-speed manual. And it's loud as shit, and I'm gonna be moving into a house in a neighborhood with like real people, so trying to do something a little fun and get rid of this poop shit exhaust straight pipe with this eBay shitter. Do an electronic exhaust cutout, so basically it'll be programmed to like a little key fob button shitter, and basically we'll be able to press a button and my car will be muffled, and then press a button and it'll be straight piped.
Put pee pee poo poo on it?
Yep, putting some pee pee poo poo on it. Does it look like Coca-Cola?
We gotta show them the original exhaust. We have a 3-inch downpipe to 3-inch to 2.5 to the, I think this is from factory Y pipe.
Yeah, I think it is.
To a definitely not factory muffler delete. To the factory exhaust tips. Trying to soak these Johns.
Today we are
Yeah, you want to hear what's getting well,
doing drugs.
Yeah. I don't know whose foldable table this is.
It's the beer pong table. I have an idea.
Wow.
What you could do.
Wait,
Cut this right here. Take
Hey,
that,
show up for a
make it into one, and calm it.
Okay.
And here we have exhaust gasket. I'll try and smack it.
give a couple smack-a-poons.
Yo, if I'm a broom, I'm doomed.
What?
Bend much?
Yeah.
Wake up. I'll just There we go. Yo. That was not too hard.
There's so much like cum jacket on it.
Yeah.
How's it looking in there?
How do you feel about this? How do you feel about your?
How do you feel?
No, I'm not. So what I was gonna ask is, how do you feel about your? No,
Alright.
stop. No, it's my turn to record. How do you feel about your exhaust coming down?
Not too bad. I mean,
What do you think about his exhaust coming down?
I think it's Haldex.
Oh, what's that mean?
my all-in jar. I think that my muffler is way too big to even think about fitting.
This don't
Yeah, that
fit.
looks so
Yo.
fucking dumb, dude.
Dude, and then wait. Dude.
Dumb or dope?
Dumb.
No.
No. That looks so stupid.
Yo. I mean, you can use it.
How would I use it though? Would I have to like get some like adapter pipe?
Down right there, then
Oh, like cut this one up?
just cut all this up.
Should we do? I mean, I'd do that.
The only problem with this, it's gonna flow like crap. This is for a Miata.
Alex is on his 8th or 9th piss of the evening / night. Little update, to get the 3-inch pipe to work, we had to cut this off of my original exhaust so my new pipe can meet with my down pipe.
Got the handheld mill, smooth it out. probably better than a mill. This was like the best investment ever.
How much was it?
I think it was like $80. Or no, it was less than that. It was cheap. But like you turn a shit cut into like a
Near perfect cut. Maybe
an
not
okay cut.
An okay cut.
It's like slightly bigger. I wonder if it's supposed to slide over it. Yo.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, so we didn't even have to grind it, dude.
Yeah.
Now we're cutting egg sauce. This is the old Miata muffler.
I can hold this.
Yo. That's like the definition of straight fight.
We might have to raise my car a little bit.
Nah. Or you can just smash the exhaust.
Yeah, I guess.
I'd rather do that than raise the car.
Fair
Your
enough.
car's not low.
I know. I want it to be lower too. That's the thing.
I say we smash the exhaust where right there.
Yeah.
It'll still flow better than these.
Yeah, that's true. So like right here, just kind of just turn it into an oval.
Just throw in the vise and then oval it.
All right, fair enough.
Hey guys.
All right.
Update time. We got the easy part done.
Yeah. So, to anyone who hasn't seen yet, from there, that weld, and then we're about to do this weird little.
Oh yeah, we gotta weld this first.
Yeah, we gotta weld this first, and then comes the shortest bit of distance left, but it's
so hard.
It's the hardest mile. We got the hardest mile left.
Then start putting the valve here, running our 3-inch straight pipe all the way, and then somehow
Fitting them
fit the
beyond
muffler up here.
It should work. Yeah, we're just gonna be bashing all of this. So
They don't give you any room.
yeah. Anyway,
This
we
is
can
the
get
worst part.
you can get a good angle from back here with how low the exhaust is.
I don't know how to say it, but
Well, I mean,
that just go like a little bit slower.
Garageboys welding tutorial.
Woo! From people who don't really know how to.
Hey, little tutorial, my fat ass ready for a burrito. Yo, wait. Let's peep what's on the Garageboys menu. Oh, there's a burrito left. Yeah, there's still one left.
Perfect. I'll gobble that bitch down. So Adam, even though you're recording it through the camera, you can't look at the screen.
Yeah, I know.
Really?
It's gonna hurt. Yeah, when you weld and you record it, like the video will actually hurt your eyes.
That's crazy. All right. Okay. So we have the Miata, the old Miata exhaust. And we're gonna use this to make an adapter. We're gonna use the resonator to make an adapter to step up to the brand new exhaust. And then we're also gonna use the old Volvo exhaust. I don't know.
We're still working it out. Still figuring out.
It's gonna be sick. $150 valved exhaust. Actually, like everything kind of fits like really well. That's
And this is gonna go like right there.
look, and then that will tie right into there. Look how sweet this looks. Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, and this goes straight there.
Yeah,
That's cool.
that'd be so cool. All right, this is how you make an oval exhaust. You get a line down the middle. Dude, that's
Oh yeah.
that's money.
We haven't recorded in a while.
Kind of forgot about that.
Dealing with a lot of bullshit on.
It's almost all together. Kind of had to.
Hey guys.
That looks pretty bad, but
So Logan plasma cut a hole here. This is looking a little.
looks rough. But I'll fill it.
Yeah.
It'll work. It'll work. That's the biggest thing.
That's the mango
It's
here.
gonna sound good. Hopefully.
Yeah, I guess we'll find out. All right. The sauce, the egg variety, is done.
Basically, just gotta throw the hanger up there.
Sheesh. Threw a little bit of wrap on there. Alex coming in clutch with the big gaps. Big bones. Hold up.
The reason we did the wrap is because we don't want to melt the wires and stuff in the motor for the valve, so we just thought that would help.
Quick walkthrough. Let's get it.
She's done. Got the old coupler. I don't even know. 3" to 3". Straight back. Tilt it down. Did our oval.
Smack it.
Custom oval. And our valve.
A little bit of
Wires
wrap
off.
on it.
Got the valve here. Goes out.
We also got this little adapter, 3" to 2" right there.
Yes, sir.
The Miata muffler.
So you might want to back it up so you can see it all. Yeah. So it goes Miata muffler. Both exit the same, then straight pipe with the valve.
All right, am I good?
Yep. Sounds different. It sounds better in my opinion. Oh my! What? That's amazing. Dude, that is so quiet now.
Wait, let me give it some heat.
Oh my gosh! What? Oh my god! What? You can't even. Literally, it's so quiet.
Open it back up again.
Yeah, open it. Open it all the way, all the way. Yo, that's so sweet, dude. That's awesome. That's sick. All right, it's
Open it
open.
and close it.
That's open right now? Yeah, we're fully open. All right, close we're fully torqued. So anyways, because we're in the neighborhood. All right, so we're gonna close it. Oh my gosh, dude, what?
Yo, that's what kind
It's just turbo sound, and it drives. Remember, don't like bang it, but dude, that's sick. Now it's open. All right, we're gonna test the sound on the outside. Kind of went in the remote area. That sounds good. One more. Oh, I got that on camera.
What the fuck? It
Like,
just blew a flame.
just like shot.
I'm gonna close it.
Some red. It sounds like a Honda. Sounds like a Honda now. Or like this is how the Miata used to sound.
Yeah,
we gotta throw in the clip of when I filmed my Miata with this exhaust. Yeah, maybe it sounds. I don't know.
It sounds ass muffled,
But it's quiet. That's the point.
Yeah.
Quiet muffler.
Yeah.
That sound good.
Oh my god, dude. This
Dude,
turned out
that's
a
sweet.
million times
All right,
better
open
than I
it.
thought it would.
Open it.
Dude, I can't wait to pull up to a meet and have it muffled and be like, oh wait, sorry, I forgot.
Dude, that sounds so cool.